Welcome to another how-to video by Origine Cycles. Today we're going to show you how to replace the chain on your bike. You will need a chain tool, a new chain, and a missing or quick link. To start with, we need to position the chain on the small ring and the smaller sprocket, so to have as much slack as possible. Alternatively, you might consider completely removing the rear wheel. Use the chain tool to break the chain. Remove the chain from the transmission. Next, you need to size the new chain, and this we do by placing it and the old chain side by side. Be careful to begin with an identical start point by aligning side by side two male links. This will allow you to correctly size the new chain length. To identify the correct chain length, use the same length minus one link. This will be replaced by the quick link, like this. And in this case, you should, using your chain tool, break the chain here and remove the surplus chain. You can now replace the chain on your drive mechanism by feeding the chain through onto the small ring and the smaller sprocket. Place the elements of the missing or quick link on the opposing ends of the chain. Then connect the two extremities together to engage the quick link. Position the quick link on the upper section of the transmission by turning the cranks. The quick link is now here. Hold the rear wheel or action the brake lever while tapping hard on the crank to fully engage the quick link in place. Check to see that this has properly occurred. Your chain has now been changed. Don't forget to add some lubricant before riding. Your bike is good to go. Enjoy the ride.